is there something that's still lingering? Is there something that's currently happening that you might be able to share with the audience so that they know what to look for?
Oh, yeah. Now our struggle is not, we've gotten over all the little things and we've gotten into a flow with it. When we've done hundreds of these interviews at this point. So it's like, it's easy now. When we hop on an interview, it's like we know exactly. Julie and I can read each other. And we're like, okay, you're going to ask the next question. We do it with our eyes, right? Like we can see each other in the Zoom. And so that part we've got down pat. Where we struggle is really the time and sometimes the consistency. So the time, Julie and I are both busy moms. That's why we got into this business, is to help other busy families to build wealth for themselves. And so as part of that, through COVID, especially, our schedules have shifted here and there with homeschooling, with travel, with all these other commitments. And so it's hard sometimes to sync up and to find an hour of time, at least once a week, to do these interviews. And so what we did was sometimes we'd batch them together. So we'd do a few in a week. And then that would give us a little bit of a buffer for a few weeks if we knew one of us was traveling or would be off for a few days. And sometimes we've done solo shows. Sometimes we've interviewed people on our team rather than having an outside guest come in. And at least once or twice, we've done a replay of an episode, but with a new intro. So pulling out fresh insights. And so, I think there's always going to be, at whatever stage we're at in business or in podcasting, there's always going to be fresh challenges at every stage. But the good news is you can always be creative and leverage your team, leverage people around you to really think outside the box and get through those struggles.